In this video, I am going to show you how you can configure OpenRoute and Claude Code with your VS Code very easily, and you can use this thing very easily. There are many videos I found that they are using, and the configuration is really hidden how they are fixing those things. But I'm going to show you what you need to do from A to Z. So let's see what we do. So at first, we just need to go this website openroute.ai, and then we just need to create a free account. And after creating a free account, you just need to log in. You'll see like this, and here you see I already logged in on my account. And then the first thing is that you need to create a API key. So you can click here, and then you'll find the list of API key over there. So from here, you just need to create one API key. Just click create, and then it will bring this window. From here, you just need to type a name like demo, and then when it will be expired. If you don't choose no expiration, then it will not expire, and you have to hit the create button. Once you click create, basically what it will do, it will create a API key like this. Don't close this window. You just need the API key for future. So you can click here to copy it and save it some location because we need it. Because by mistake, if you close it, then you need to recreate this API key. So you can open any notepad, you can copy it over there. So this part is done. Now the second part, what you need to do. There is a good documentation page inside this open router. There is this is the document location, and then there is a Claude Code here. And here you will see everything written over there. The first thing is that you just need to access this area which is called Microsoft Windows PowerShell, like this. If you are using Windows, I'm going to show you in Windows environment, that's why I'm going to show you this thing. But for Mac, it is similar. You just need to open terminal, and then you need to use this thing. You just need to copy this line and these three settings. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you the VS Code. So this is the folder, test delete, and then I created this folder .cloud, and then there is a settings file, settings.json, and here I just pasted that thing with this extra line. So I'm going to show you how I'm getting this line. So these three lines are similar like this. If you scroll, you will see these three lines out there. So here, produce settings file. So these three lines are there. I only changed here my API key, which I created earlier, right? From here, right? This is the API key. This one is the API key. Okay, so you see these are the things. And the last is Anthropic model. So which model I'm going to use? This can be anything. Okay, so how you will get, I'm going to show you now. So if you go there from open router, then there are models. Just click over there, it will be open. Now here you can type free. It will give you the list of the free models. There are many free models, and I use this model, free models router. If you click here, you will get this type of path. You just need to copy it, and then you have to paste it. So this is the configuration file. You just need to change. Okay, nothing. You don't need to do anything. So this is the things. So Cloud folder, then settings.json file, and these three settings. These three I copied from there, and the last line and I added Anthropic model, then open router / free, and this is the API key which I created basically. Now inside this VS like PowerShell, we just need to do some things which most of the people they didn't mention like that. So previously we used this command, right? I'm going to show you this command. So IRM http cloud API install ps1 iex. So this command we just need. This is showing inside their documentation folder. So here is the line. We just need to copy this for Mac and this for Windows. I just copied this and then I pasted it. So by pasting this line, basically this line, what I'm doing, I'm going to install Claude Code, and here you see Claude Code successfully installed, and this is the version is showing, and then this thing and setup notes. Some setup notes are there. Native installation exists. This location is not in part. We have to do this environment free. This is this thing. Okay. So now once you've done this thing, then you just need to like type some lines of command. Okay, I'm going to show you. These are the things you just need to type. So these are the things we just need to type. This is the first line. We just need to type this line. Anthropic base URL this is the open router AI.api. This is the thing. We just need to add environment variable, and then this is the other one. This is the token which we copied basically like this. This is the token. We set that thing, and then this is the Anthropic API key. This should be empty. Okay, so these 3 lines we just need to add the environment variable. This thing also noted over there. I'm going to show you. So if we scroll down, you'll see here shell profile. Okay, so see here, these things are there, but for Windows we just need to set up like this type of way, like this environment Anthropic based URL, like this way. This is similar, right? Like that. We just need to put it, these 3 things. Once you did this thing, then if you try to type cloud status, it will give you error. Okay, the term cloud is not recognized. Why? We just install and configure this thing. After configuration this thing, you must need to close this like PowerShell window and then reopen it. Then only you will be able to check this thing. So okay, so I'm not going to do anything. We don't need any anymore. All configuration is done. Now what we need to do in VS Code, just close it and reopen it. After opening, just try to run this command. I'm going to show you. So after opening the VS Code, basically what you need to do, you just need to type cloud and hit enter key, and very shortly you will see like it is looking like this. It may ask you which type of like theme you prefer, like black or dark or something, dark or white, something like that. You just need to choose one, and then after that you will see like this. Now you can type anything, like if you type hi, it will start replying you like this. And here you see this is the Claude Code version 2.1.74, and here you see this is showing like this. API uses billing like this thing, open router free. Okay, and here you can do everything, and that's it. In this way you can easily configure the VS Code and Cloud Code very easily without any issue.